Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to viewers on TVJ International and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first tonight, there's a rush to get help for 3 men who received third-degree burns following a garage fire adjacent to the Beryllium on South Camp Road yesterday.
A 4th victim has since succumbed to his injuries. Nakinsky Robinson has the details.
Vivienne Barnes is a picture of worry. She had just witnessed her son being wheeled out of the Kingston Public Hospital. He was one of 4 men taken there Wednesday following an explosion at a garage facility located adjacent to the Beryllium compound on South Camp Road. One of the victims, identified as Richard McGuire, died Thursday morning.
I heard that they had an explosion at the workplace.
Which workplace?
Guardsman on Lake Road.
How bad you would have seen your son, and how badly was it?
Out of 10, 7 out of 10.
So far, 2 of the 3 surviving victims were taken to the Norman Manley International Airport, where they were airlifted to the United States for treatment. This was made possible by the Crisis Support Charity, an organization which has been providing assistance to burn victims needing treatment abroad. Stephen Joseph is the director.
So one of the victims is going to UCF in California, and the next one is going to the JMS Burn Center in Atlanta, Georgia. And it's one of the best burn centers in the United States.
Deputy Chairman of the Guardsman Group of Companies, Nicholas Benjamin, was also on hand.
As I have learned over the last day and a half, the turnaround time for burn victims in particular is critical. And to be able to get them out quickly, we think, is the most important part. You know, you can get them to a great facility. If you do it too late, it won't work out the way you want. So,
the men received 3rd-degree burns. Efforts are now being made for the 3rd victim to be airlifted to the U.S. According to Mr. Benjamin, despite their current situation, the employees appear in high spirits.
it's a difficult situation for everybody involved. It's difficult for them. It's difficult for us to see, but seeing the positivity in them helps us.
We're all about people because that's what we sell and that's how we make our money. So they're so important to us. And I'm glad that we all gathered together to make sure we can help them as much as we can.
The medical team at KPH who reacted swiftly and were able to do what they did to stabilize them as best as they could and get them ready for the next step of their journey and recovery. So we're grateful to the local teams as well.
Nakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.